So I've got the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and let me show you how to customize the lock screen. So all you have to do is long press on the current lock screen. It's going to ask for your password if you have one. Then you will see it's going to open up the lock screen editor. Now on the lock screen, you can change everything. So you can start with the wallpaper. So let's go to wallpaper, and then you can change from any of these predefined wallpapers. You can go into your gallery and find an image to use as a wallpaper. So for instance, you can use this image like this, and you can see the preview of what that's going to look like, and that's going to be your wallpaper. And also you can generate a wallpaper using AI. So you can create with AI. So you can come here and say generative, and then you can give instructions to generate a specific kind of wallpaper. So for instance, you can tap on that template. It's a surreal salt lake in shades of pink. So you can customize. So let's say you want shades of blue. Just tap on this and then select blue. Then tap on generate like that. And it's going to generate that wallpaper and give the adjusted instructions. So here you can choose from a salt lake. You can go and select desert or mountains and generate. And then basically you can give any instructions you want, and you can tweak this sentence just to make the AI do exactly what you want. Okay, so once you like it like that, you can tap on set, and that's going to be your lock screen wallpaper. So you can just play around with the AI wallpapers. Now the other thing you can customize here, I'm just going to tap on done, and then I can long press again to continue customizing. So you can also customize the clock. Okay, so if you tap on the clock here, you can change the font of the clock. Okay, you can change the clock style. So if you tap on style, you can change to a different clock style. You can even put an analog clock like this one. Okay, so once you do that, you can also tap on add widgets, and you can add specific widgets that you want. Let's say you want a widget for, let's say, your calendar, or maybe your voice recorder or weather. Okay, so just select any widget and you can see it's going to get added to your wallpaper. Now you can also customize the lock screen shortcuts. So for instance, we have call and camera. So you can tap on this and then select a different item. So let's say, for instance, you want your clock there, you can tap on that, and then you want to change this to something else, like maybe an application or a game you play often, like FC Mobile. You can just add it to the lock screen. And then once you're done customizing the wallpaper, or rather the lock screen, you just tap on done, and that's going to be your new lock screen. So that's what my lock screen looks like. And whatever changes you make here are also reflected on the cover screen. Now you can see we have our analog clock, we have the weather widget, we have the shortcuts. The only thing that was not transferred was the lock screen wallpaper. Okay, so for that one, you might have to come to this one and customize it independently. Okay, so you can come here, tap on wallpaper, and then maybe you can select, you can go to AI and also tap on that, and then generate, and then set it as your wallpaper. So that is basically how to customize the lock screen of your Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.